Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got a new set of clip-ins from cliphair.co.uk, and this is the full head Remy clip-in human hair extensions in Ice Blonde. This is their 26 inches, 130 grams. I've ordered from the site multiple times and I always get silky hair. This time it seems like they color the hair a little bit more than usual and also cut the ends. So I just wanted to show off what it looked like. I am satisfied with the purchase. After wearing it a couple of times, it did match perfectly with my hair. And it's super soft, so I love it.